Yeah, it's your boy Deucey Dre. Welcome to my channel. So what I need you to do is, the first thing I need you to do is go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button. All right, now on next. Now I got here my 2002 Honda CBR 600 f4i. I'm gonna do a walk around. Zero gravity. Two brother exhaust. Shorty levers. I got about, let me see how many miles up on it. $33,900. $33,900. So I'm about to go ahead and give it up a little crank up. Let y'all guys hear what it sounds like. Honda CBR. Integrated turn signals. The ride's perfect. But yeah, this is just the first video of my new channel, so more to come. Be expecting more better videos. It's my first video, so sorry for the mistakes, the mess ups, whatever I left out, just leave it in the comments, let me know, and I'll most definitely get back to you on the next video with questions answered to the comments that's on the video. So yeah, like I said, it's your boy Deucey Dre. Be expecting more. Get at me.